how water entered the coaching center. Now, in the video, you could see how every time a vehicle passed from outside the institute, that led to more water entering the basement. The video, in fact, shows the severity of the situation there. And on cam, it is all on camera how the water gushed into the basement.
Let's go across to our colleague Priyank Tripathi, who's joining us on the broadcast. In fact, he had reached the spot just hours after the unfortunate tragedy took place as the rescue operations were still on. Priyank, the video that we're playing out on screen now is an indication of how bad the situation was. We can see several students there helplessly waiting because they had no way of even stepping out of the institute.
Yeah, Sati Amita, good morning. In this particular video, they were claimed by the students the moment we reached to the location that there was a Thar vehicle which came at a very high speed, which led to a splash of water resulting to breaking of the entrance wall of this particular building. In this video, you can see when this black color SUV moves towards the old Rajendra Nagar area from the Karol Bagh metro station pillars. There was a splash of water, which broke the main entrance wall on the right-hand side of the building, which led to water entering the basement. And according to the Delhi police report and the fire department report, there was no exit plan apart from the main staircase for the students to come out. Neither the drainage system was, prepared here. So the disaster was made to happen in any case because norms were flouted, and the government officials, certainly by influence or by some other means, probably did not took any kind of action against these kind of owners who were running, commercial activity in the basement area. Finally, they have woken up. 2 people have been arrested. 10 to 15 institutes have been sealed. Their basements have been sealed. But Swati, the big question is that till how long these kind of casualties will keep on happening, where the laxity of the government officials have been seen time and again.
Well, they were waiting for a tragedy to happen because now they've sealed 13 basements, but too little, too late. Priyank, thank you very much for getting us the details.
So this remains the top focus story on Times Now. We continue getting you these reports and also hold accountable the MCD and the authorities who are responsible for this unfortunate tragedy. Slipping into a very quick break here. We'll be right back to stay with us.